Organizations with widespread Lean Six Sigma adoption report 24% higher profit margins than industry averages. The yellow belt level is where this journey begins. Many organizations struggle with a lack of widespread understanding of process improvement principles. This can lead to missed opportunities for enhancement, resistance to change, and difficulty in sustaining improvement efforts. At an individual level, employees often feel powerless to improve their work processes. Teams may lack a common language to discuss and address quality and efficiency issues. This course provides an introduction to Lean Six Sigma concepts and tools. It equips participants with foundational knowledge to support improvement initiatives and contribute to a culture of continuous improvement. Participants will learn the basics of the DMAIC methodology, gain an understanding of key Lean and Six Sigma tools, and develop skills in data collection and basic problem-solving techniques. For organizations, the impact is significant. They'll see increased awareness of improvement opportunities, better support for larger initiatives, and a growing culture of continuous improvement. This leads to enhanced operational efficiency and a more engaged workforce. On a personal level, participants will develop valuable skills that can enhance their day-to-day work and career prospects. Teams will benefit from a shared understanding of improvement principles, leading to better collaboration and more effective problem-solving at all levels. Ready to take the first step towards becoming a process improvement champion? Don't miss this opportunity to build a solid foundation in Lean Six Sigma principles. Enroll now and start your journey towards driving positive change in your organization.